Hello everybody. So this is the video for graphing horizontal and vertical lines. So in the previous assignment, the one that backed up to this, you guys had formulas that went in this pattern. What I want you to key in on here is, let's say I had 3x minus 7. In the equation you have a y and an x. And when I graph it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the slope is 3 over 1, so I'd rise 3 and run 1, rise 3 and run 1, that it's crossing the x and the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis here and the x-axis there. So again, this is the y and the x-axis. It has both letters and it crosses both axes. Okay, but what about a horizontal line? A horizontal line only crosses the y-axis. And its equation is y equals some number. It doesn't have an x because it doesn't cross the x. Okay, what about this one? Whoops. It's not a very vertical line, but we'll run with it. This is a vertical line, and it only crosses the x. It doesn't cross the y, so it doesn't have a y. It only has an x. So a vertical line is x equals some number. Okay? When you forget, it's not that you're dumb, it's just it's inevitable. When you forget, draw yourself a quick graph. Okay? And go, okay, that's my y, that's my x. Okay, if it's horizontal, it's only crossing the y, so it only has a y. Bam. All right? If it was vertical, and you go, you know what? It's meant to be vertical. It's only crossing the x-axis. So it's x equals. Okay, so let's go over to Delta Math and check out what's going on there. It's going to ask you a couple different styles of questions. First off, it says, graph this line, y equals negative 6. Now what we just said a bit ago is if it only has the y, it only crosses the y, so it has to be horizontal. So you have to make that choice. It's a horizontal line. Then you drag the yellow dot down to negative 6, and you're finished. Submit answer. Okay? New problem. Here it's asking you for what the equation is. You go, it's vertical, so it only crosses the x. So the equation would be x equals, and where does it cross? 3. It crosses right there at 3. Submit answer. Yes. Okay, new problem. We just did one like that. Okay, this one, give me what the equation is. Well, it's horizontal. It only crosses the y, so the equation will only have a y. So it's y equals, because that's the axis it's crossing, negative 7. Yep, new problem. Ooh, that one's a tricky one. It's a horizontal line. Okay, technically it's crossing both axes because it's sitting on the x, but this is like a tricky question. Okay, it's horizontal, it's y equals, and it's 0. Okay, so that one's kind of a tricky one. Okay, we did one that was horizontal. It only has the y, so it's horizontal. And then you drag it to 3 and you let go, and then you say you're done. Okay, you click below that you're done. We did that one. I want to find, come on, there we go. X equals 5. If it's x equals, it's vertical, and then you drag and drop it at 5. And there you go. And then you'd scroll and you'd say, okay, I'm done, submit answer. Okay, so those are all the types that you guys would have. You have to either say the equation or they give you the equation. Okay, all right, I think that's it. Well, hold on. This is what the homework assignment is. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a great one.